Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie. This one is silver. Underneath the hood is a 5.7 Hemi V8 with 395 horsepower and 410 pounds of torque. This one has 20-inch wheels, 1500 Hemi 5.7 badging on the side. Black leather interior. Truck bed cover. Trailer hitch. Laramie 4x4 badging. Rear USB ports. Keyless entry, blind spot assist. Memory seats, power windows, steering wheel controls, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, touchscreen media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, auxiliary and USB ports, plenty of space in the center console, cup holders. This Dodge has 73,107 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Dodge Ram, visit us at feldmannimports.com.